1999 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Actually a two-owner car, clean Carfax actual mile car, although you can see right up here, driver's front corner, it has had a love tap. 5.7 liter LS V8 underneath the hood, that's paired up with a manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Note the tinted headlights. We also have some tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the tint percentage of the darkness, of course, you can have on the glass, and I'd be sure to make sure I know the headlight laws too, depending on where you're at. All right, as far as paint, you can see there's some touch-up spots, been chipped. It's your typical black. Does show imperfections, light scratches, what have you. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. 16-inch chrome wheels, and those are factory. You'll be able to see the window sticker in with the still pictures. That'll tell you exactly how this car was equipped when it was new. We take a look up and down the passenger side here. Don't notice any major nicks, dings, or scratches on this side. We do have some spots on the roof. It's kind of bubbling. One of those cars, get in and drive it, have some fun. Does have complete dual exhaust, noted by the tech that looked at it, front to rear. Brakes are at 60% in the front, 80% in the rear. Said there is some minor drivetrain seeps, which be common in a car with a few miles on it that's driven. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down this driver's side. Paint has a nice shine to it. Just those imperfections, and don't forget about the tinted glass. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Of course, bucket seats, center console, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt column, cruise control. Manual transmission would be a 6-speed. Let's go ahead and fire it up. We'll check those exact miles. Take a peek underneath the hood, listen to it. Then if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take this for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Nice sounding car. There we go, 101, 530, no check engine lights. Service engine soon, anything like that. That's just the seat belt warning indicator because I don't have it on. Appears the gauges are working. It was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Dash looks good. Stereo working. Tech did note the AC was in-op. Compressor would need some TLC. Get an idea how it sounds. Let me go ahead and pop this hood. See if I can get this one-handed by chance. There we go. Hood struts are good. Hood liner nice and clean and tidy. Good looking engine bay too. Excellent power plant. 5.7 LS engine. Want to get into a fun sports car? Got some power without breaking the bank? Here you go. Sounds good. Looks good underneath the hood. 1999 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Two-owner car, clean Carfax. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 Chevrolet Camaro. This car with a nice exhaust rumble, a 6-speed manual transmission, and all blacked out, looking good in black. Very good acceleration, as you'd expect. And once you get it in 6th, let's get down to 55. 6th gear, 55 miles an hour, about 1200 RPM. That is beautiful. Just loping along. Great for freeway drives if you like to do that sort of thing. Long trips and car shows. Our speedometer is working. Our battery gauge is showing over 14 volts charging. The gas gauge is showing me over half of the tank, and the temperature gauge is about 195, right where they should run. Stereo works good. Comfortable bucket seats. Something about the ergonomics of this generation is just right for me. I am 6'1", and I fit in this car just right. We got some traffic. Here we go. A very snappy throttle. I love the performance. It might be that SLP performance pieces that we have under the hood. Corners well also. Very fun, very good looking black Camaro. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1999 Chevrolet Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.